What's up guys? I'm not gonna lie, this robot vacuum sounds a bit too good on paper. It claims to clean your house, wash itself, dry itself, basically do everything except make you tea. But does it actually deliver, or is this just marketing? Well, let's find out, shall we? Roll the intro. Now this video is sponsored by Lefant, but all views are 100% my own. And here's something new I want to try, especially for sponsored videos. I'm giving back to you guys. So I'll be giving away $100 to someone anywhere in the world. All you've got to do is like the video and leave an interesting comment or question. After 30 days, I'll pick a winner from the comments. Good luck, people. Now this is everything you get inside the box. Let's take a closer look, shall we? So you're getting a user manual and a quick start guide, power cable, we've got two side brushes, a spare HEPA filter and cleaning brush, a spare roller mop, a spare dust bag, the robot vacuum itself, and the all-in-one base station. Now let's quickly talk price. The Lefant M5 Pro currently comes in at £575, which is actually on sale from around £1,046. So that's roughly a 45% discount. Now at full price, I'll be honest, that is quite expensive, but at around £575, this starts to make a little more sense. All for a price that's competing with other premium robot vacuums. Alright, now in terms of design, the Lefant M5 Pro keeps things clean and modern. The robot itself feels solid and well built. It's got a smooth matte finish that doesn't feel cheap, and overall it has that premium weight to it without being too bulky. Now if you're wondering where the LiDAR sensor is, it's located within this groove. So that's your LiDAR sensor, which is responsible for mapping your home, and just in front of that you have the main control button for power and cleaning. It's simple, minimal and easy to use. Around the front there are built-in sensors for obstacle detection, so it's not just blindly bumping into things, it actually reads the space and moves more intelligently. Now flipping this over is where things get more interesting. At the top you've got your cliff sensors, which helps stop the robot vacuum from falling down the stairs. Now one of the major features of this robot vacuum cleaner is the mop roller system. There's one already attached and you get a spare one as well. Being so wide means it covers a wider area with every pass. The roller is constantly being cleaned while it's working. So you're not just dragging dirty water across the floor. So every time it spins, it cleans itself. The roller can be removed, and I'll show you how. You remove that front piece, and then you can just pull the roller out, and there you go. Alongside that, you've got your main brush system designed to pick dust, debris and hair efficiently without getting tangled too easily. The compartment does open, so you can remove this roller and manually clean it when you need to. There is also a side brush that I just attached, and that helps you pull dirt from edges and corners into the main cleaning path. And you get two in a box, one I've already attached, and there is a spare one as well. Now you've got large wheels underneath which are strong enough to handle different floor types, and small height changes like rugs or thresholds without getting stuck. And you've got a 360 roller wheel on the front which helps the vacuum maneuver in any direction. Alright, quickly show you. On top the lid does come off like so, and underneath you will see the built-in dustbin compartment which I'm about to remove. So the dustbin is built into the robot and is designed to work with the auto emptying system in the base station. So you're not constantly emptying this yourself. In fact, you probably never need to touch it unless you're servicing it. And then you have a separate water tank over here. And again, you don't need to pour water in this. It will automatically get the water it needs from the base station. So again, no human interaction required. Everything is automated. So you don't even need to touch this section. And on the back of the robot, you can see we've got these charging pins. So when the robot backs up into the base station, it will automatically start charging. But not only that, it will clean and dry the mop roller, and it will empty the dustbin for you. And everything from the roller to the sensors are designed to make the cleaning process smoother and more automated. All right, now let's talk about the base station. At first glance, it's quite large, so you need some space for it. But that size makes sense once you see what's inside. This isn't just a charging dock, it's a full cleaning system. So on top you can see we've got clean and dirty water tanks. Now you fill up the clean water tank and it's used to constantly wash the roller while it's cleaning, and the dirty water tank gets collected straight away. So you're not just spreading mess across the floor, the system is always active, which means the roller is being rinsed and scraped continuously while it's working, keeping it fresh throughout the clean. And on the front of the base station, there is a sleek silver magnetic panel that you can easily pop off. Behind it, you will find the dust bag compartment. Each bag holds around 3.2 liters of dust, and it's super simple to remove and swap out when needed. There's also a dedicated compartment for detergent. Just pour it in and the robot automatically dispenses the exact amount into the water tank. And there's no measuring or guesswork. It handles everything for you. Now, when the robot docks the base to charge, the base takes over completely. It washes the roller using hot water up to 75 degrees, which helps break down tougher dirt and grime. After that, it switches to cold air drying, so the roller stays hygienic and doesn't develop any smell. You've also got automatic dust collection built in, so the robot empties itself into the base, giving you that proper hands-free experience. Lefant claims up to around 120 days of maintenance-free use, and that's because everything is being handled here. What's interesting is how the system manages water. It automatically refills fresh water and drains dirty water when the robot returns, so you're not manually dealing with it every time. So overall, the base station is doing way more than most. It's not just maintaining the robot, it's actively improving how it cleans. And once everything is set up, it genuinely feels like the whole system is running itself. Now let's talk about real-world performance. First, suction power, and this is where things get serious. The Lefant M5 Pro is rated at 18,000 PA suction, which is honestly very high for a robot vacuum. And in real use, you can actually feel the difference. It handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease, and it's noticeably stronger than the most entry-level models. Navigation is also a big part of the experience, and this is where it does really well. It uses 360-degree laser navigation with a range of up to 15 meters, so it can map your entire home accurately. On top of that, it also has 190-degree front obstacle detection, which means it can recognize and avoid objects much more precisely. So instead of bumping into things or getting stuck, it's able to move around furniture, toys, and random objects a lot more smoothly. What this means in real use is it moves in clean, structured lines, avoids random wandering, and covers areas properly without missing spots. It also supports multi-floor mapping, so if you've got more than one level, it can remember different layouts without getting confused. Now, when it comes to mopping, this is where it really separates itself. Instead of dragging a cloth around, it uses a roller system that's constantly being cleaned while it's working. Fresh water is continuously rinsing it, and dirty water is removed straight away. So you are actually cleaning the floor, not just spreading dirt. You've also got a strong downward pressure and a fast rotating roller, which helps remove tougher stains more effectively than standard mop setups. And one feature I really like is how it handles carpets. As soon as it detects one, it automatically lifts the roller up by about 8 millimeters and increases suction power. So you're not getting your carpets wet, and at the same time you're getting a deeper clean without having to manually switch modes. Now, in terms of battery life, you are getting up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough to clean most homes in a single charge. And if it does run low, it will head back to the base, recharge, and then continue cleaning from where it left off. Overall performance feels consistent, reliable, and genuinely smart. It's not just cleaning, it's adapting to your home in real time, which is exactly what you want from something at this level. So moving over to the smartphone app. The app is called the Lefant app, and it's available for both iOS and Android. So with the app, you get full control over how the robot operates. You can map your home, set no-go zones, choose specific rooms to clean, adjust suction levels, and schedule cleaning times, and lots more. The app itself is easy to use and responsive, which makes a big difference because a lot of robot vacuums can feel clunky or confusing. Everything here feels straightforward, and once it's set up, you can pretty much control the entire system from your phone. You also get voice assistant support, which just adds another layer of convenience. So there you have it, guys. That was the Lefant M5 Pro robot vacuum. And here are my thoughts. The Lefant M5 Pro delivers very strong suction power and handles everyday dirt, dust and pet hair with ease. The fully automated base station takes care of everything from emptying to washing and drying, which makes the whole experience feel genuinely hands-free. The self-cleaning mop system is a big upgrade over the standard setups, keeping the roller clean while it's working. Navigation is accurate thanks to the LiDAR mapping, and the app is smooth, reliable and easy to use. Overall, it's built around convenience and does a great job of reducing manual effort. Now onto the caveats. At full price, it's definitely on the expensive side, so it makes a lot more sense when discounted. The base station is also quite large, which means you'll need enough space to accommodate it. So bottom line, the Lefant M5 Pro is not for everyone. If you want a basic robot vacuum to pick up a bit of dust here and there, this is probably overkill. But if you're looking for a fully automated cleaning system that saves you time and effort, then this makes a lot of sense. It's designed for people who want convenience and consistency without having to constantly manage the device. Yes, it comes at a higher price, but you are paying for a much smoother and hands-off experience. And once you start using it, you quickly realize how much easier it makes your day-to-day cleaning. This feels like what robot vacuums are supposed to be. Now, if you found the video useful, drop a like, sub to the channel if you're new, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming up next. Do let me know in the comments, would you actually trust a robot to clean your whole house? That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.